Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into some thrilling news about Nikon's next big leap in mirrorless camera technology. The Nikon Z9 II, expected to be announced soon, is shaping up to deliver major upgrades and innovations that will elevate the already impressive original Z9 to a whole new level. Whether you're a professional photographer, wildlife shooter, sports enthusiast, or a filmmaker, the Nikon Z9 II promises to be a game-changer, packed with powerful features designed to keep you ahead in the fast-evolving world of digital imaging. Nikon's mirrorless evolution. What's next after the Z9? Since its launch in late 2021, the Nikon Z9 has been a flagship powerhouse in Nikon's mirrorless lineup. Its robust build, cutting-edge sensor technology, and advanced autofocus system have made it a favorite for pros across various disciplines. Now, Nikon is gearing up to push the boundaries further with the introduction of the Z9 II, alongside other upcoming models like a Z-mount video camera expected around late 2025. Rumors suggest that Nikon's new Z9 II will not just be an incremental update, but a serious overhaul with major improvements in sensor performance, autofocus speed, video capabilities, and durability. This camera looks set to solidify Nikon's standing in the ultra-competitive full-frame mirrorless market. Sensor and image quality. A giant leap forward. One of the standout features of the original Nikon Z9 is its full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, which allows for lightning-fast readout speeds and excellent dynamic range. This sensor eliminated the need for a mechanical shutter, drastically reducing rolling shutter effects, a major boon for capturing fast-moving subjects. However, the Z9 II is rumored to take this a step further with a newly developed, faster stacked sensor, possibly incorporating a global shutter. For photographers and videographers who often deal with action shots or fast panning, a global shutter would be a revolutionary improvement. It virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortions, resulting in cleaner, more accurate images when shooting rapid motion or high-speed video. Additionally, the new sensor paired with an upgraded image processor is expected to improve noise reduction significantly, enabling the Z9 II to capture even more intricate details in both shadows and highlights. This would enhance overall image quality, especially in challenging low-light conditions. Autofocus. Smarter, faster, and more reliable. The autofocus system on the Nikon Z9 was already a standout feature, boasting sophisticated eye detection, animal tracking, and subject recognition that helped photographers nail focus in dynamic situations. The Z9 II is rumored to push autofocus capabilities to a new high, offering enhanced speed and intelligence. Early speculation suggests the camera could shoot bursts at over 40 frames per second in 14-bit RAW, nearly doubling the frame rate seen on the Z8 and far surpassing the older Z9. This boost in FPS combined with an advanced autofocus system would make the Z9 II an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, and any fast-paced photography where capturing the decisive moment is critical. Next-level video capabilities for content creators. In today's camera market, video performance is just as vital as still image quality, especially for professionals and content creators. The Nikon Z9 already impressed with its ability to shoot 8K video at 60 FPS, internal RAW recording, and advanced codec support. With the Z9 II, rumors suggest Nikon might integrate innovative new features inspired by their recent partnership with RED cameras, industry leaders in cinema-grade imaging technology. This could bring enhanced color grading capabilities, support for internal ProRes RAW recording, and possibly even global shutter video. Imagine the possibilities for filmmakers looking for pristine video quality without distortion or rolling shutter artifacts. Frame rate upgrades are also expected, potentially enabling 8K video at 120 FPS or 4K video at 40 FPS, which are ideal for smooth, slow-motion footage and cinematic effects. These advancements would make the Z9 II a versatile powerhouse, perfect for high-end video production and future-proofing your gear for years to come. Durability and ergonomics. Built for the toughest conditions, professional photographers know that performance alone isn't enough. The camera